Customary law is a set of customs, practices, and beliefs that are accepted as obligatory rules of conduct by indigenous peoples and local communities. The autonomy to practice customary law had been constituted in the year 1954 to form an intrinsic part of their social and economic system and to the way of life, but the Karbi community is yet to implement till date. Hence, a joint discussion on Mikir Hills Autonomous District Administration of Justice Rules 1954 and Constitution of Village Council for the implementation of customary laws was conducted at Arboretum Conference Hall, Dipu on 20th August. At the discussion meet chaired by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Autonomous Council, Karbi Richo, Habib Binpo, MP, MLAs, EMs, MSCs, ex-CEMs, ex-MLAs, ex-EMs, ex-MSCs, intellectuals, and several notable dignitaries attended the event.
Customary code laso ka implement je phan kapitun je phan se pini song ke duan la pen ke Karbi sar kita ke thek pinpo habe Karbi richo la pen ke lokri prehini saramai la pen Karbi ronga saramai Karbi long ronga saramai la pen abarim ACM la pen abarim MLA dum phan pen la pen Karbi Autonomous Council MEC MLA chairman EM la pen ke MP ke hai dum pen chingwai chingsai pen se kapitun je phan si pini kung sai mai ke dum.
CEM Ronghang informed that the customary code would be functional from the following month and all the vacancies would be filled very soon. And an awareness program with reference to customary codes and laws would be launched in every constituency under Karbi Autonomous Council.
Lapen ke workshop bangke October cheklupensi a consensi tin laso bisar kidar aron koson ke klemi mal haya puthatame pada kung sanga mai bangke a consensi tin dame patuiko.
The provision for customary codes was constituted in the year 1954 to form an intrinsic part of our social and economic systems, yet it was not implemented so far. Therefore, a joint discussion was organized for the implementation of customary code was carried out today.
Laso customary code teng 1954 ajuding proven Pichung jelang nantai litung phan laso provision ang pinyakan da non litung bori pen laso ka pichun kadoko we na cerap kitu dum persi litung tame ko ono pen laso buthak well tulo.
Penalty for conflicts, divorce, void marriages, practicing of witchcraft, accidents, and many more were the focal points of discussion which would be included in the final draft of the customary law book. Convicted criminals and violators of the law could be jailed for 5 years as per the law of Karbi Customary, says Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Autonomous Council.
Law book pun ini dia masih gono pandala so homunil tu pathai lo sita gono lo bena pachuri bakke Karbi alam pen English alam translating so masih translator dala so frontero maji a chairman PC dala so Dr. Masino Kiala mulai saya pensi la so kita sabida lo masih nono bangke final get draft je phan si nono bangke committee ko pini seng tu Karbi athai nono ko bangke Karbi inglong so khai tu phan an nono bangke la bangke Kecok je tum phanlong te ningkan phone ke jer ke bengji Karbi.
News Desk report Karbi Live.